An example of biopolymer is first option is Teflon, second is neoprene, third is nylon 6,6 and fourth is DNA. Biopolymer is DNA. Bakelite is prepared by the reaction between first option is urea and formaldehyde, second is ethylene glycol, third is phenol and formaldehyde and fourth is tetramethylene glycol. The correct answer is C. Bakelite is formed by phenol and formaldehyde. In elastomer, intermolecular force are strong, weak, nil, none of these. In elastomer, the molecular force are weak. Natural rubber is a polymer of first option is butadiene, second is isoprene, third is 2-methyl-butadiene and fourth is hexa 1,3-diene. Natural rubber form the polymer of isoprene, so its monomer is isoprene. The correct answer is B. Terylene is a condensation polymer of ethylene glycol and first option is salicylic acid, second is phthalic acid, third is benzoic acid and fourth is terephthalic acid. As we know that terylene is a condensation polymer of ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. The correct answer is D. CF2 double bond CF2 is a unit of first option is Teflon, second is Buna S, third is Bakelite and fourth is polyethylene. CF2 is a unit of Teflon, that is option number first. Which compound form linear polymer due to hydrogen bond? First option is H2O, second is NH3, third is HF and fourth is HCl. The correct answer is C, that is HF. Cellulose is a polymer of first option is glucose, second is fructose, third is ribose and fourth is sucrose. First option glucose is correct, having the formula C6H12O6. Monomer of this structure is first is 2-methylpropene, second is styrene, third is propylene and fourth is ethene. The correct answer is first, that is 2-methylpropene. From the following, which one is classified as polyester polymer? First option is terylene, second is bakelite, third is melamine and fourth is nylon 6,6. Terylene is correct answer because terylene is formed from the monomer of ethylene glycol plus terephthalic acid. Which of the following is not a condensation polymer? First option is melamine, second is glyptal, third is dacron and fourth is neoprene. Correct answer is D, that is neoprene. Neoprene is a polymer of chloroprene. Nylon is the example of first option is polysaccharides, second is polyamide, third is polythene and fourth is polyester. This is a structure of nylon having a general structure. The correct answer is B, that is polyamide. Which is the monomer of neoprene in the following? First option is CH2, C, CH3, CH double bond CH2. Second is CH2 double bond C, Cl, CH double bond CH2, that is chloroplane. And third is CH2 double bond CH single bond C double bond CH. And fourth option is CH2 double bond CH single bond CH double bond CH2. The correct answer is second, that is chloroprene, which is the monomer of neoprene. Biodegradable polymer which can be produced from glycine and aminocaproic acid. First option is PHBV, second is Buna N and third is nylon 6,6 and fourth is nylon 2 nylon 6. Nylon 2 nylon 6 is correct answer because it is formed from monomer of glycine plus aminocaproic acid. Caprolactam is used for the manufacture of first option is nylon 6, second is Teflon and third is terylene, fourth is nylon 6,6. Correct answer is A, that is nylon 6, which is formed from the monomer of glycine plus aminocaproic acid. When chlorine is passed through a propene at 400 degrees Celsius, which of the following is formed? First option is PVC, second is allylic chloride, third is nickel chloride and fourth is 1,2 dichloroethane. The correct answer is B, that is allylic chloride. Let's see the reaction. Propene in the presence of Cl2 at 400 degrees Celsius, it will form allylic chloride. Which one of the following is used to make non-stick cookware? First option is polystyrene, second is polyethylene terephthalate and third is polytetrafluoroethylene and fourth is polyvinyl chloride. The correct answer is C, that is Teflon. It is polytetrafluoroethylene. Which one of the following monomer give the polymer neoprene on polymerization? First option is CF2 double bond CF2, second is CH2 double bond CHCl, and third is Cl2 double bond Cl2, and fourth is CH2 double bond CCl CH double bond CH2. The correct answer is chloroprene. It will condense to form neoprene. The correct answer is D. Which one of the following is a chain growth polymer? First option is starch, second is nucleic acid, third is polystyrene, and D is protein. The correct answer is polystyrene, which is a chain growth polymer. Option number C. Which one of the following polymer is prepared by condensation polymer? First is Teflon, second is natural polymer, and third is styrene, and fourth is nylon 6,6. Nylon 6,6 is correct because it is formed from adipic acid plus hexamethylene diamine. Which of the following organic compound polymerized to form the polyester dacron? First option is propylene and para-OH C6H4OH. Second option is benzoic acid and ethanol. Third is terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. And fourth is benzoic acid and para-OH C6H4OH. The correct answer is C because dacron, another name is Teflon, formed from the monomer of terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. The monomer of polymer, the numeric chain form CH2C, CH3, CH3, CH2, C with protonated form CH3, CH3 is. First option is CH2 double bond C, CH3, CH3. Second option is CH3, CH double bond CH, CH3. Third option is CH3, CH double bond CH2. And fourth option is CH3 whole twice C, C double bond C, CH3 whole twice. The correct answer is A. Which of the following structure represent neoprene polymer? As you know that neoprene polymer is formed from chloroprene. The answer number first is correct. This is a chloroprene. Which of the following is naturally occurring polymer? First option is polythene, second is starch, third is nylon, and fourth is Teflon. The correct answer is B, that is starch, which is natural occurring polymer. Caprolactam polymerized to give. First option is nylon 6, second is Buna S, third is Glyptal, and fourth is Teflon. The correct answer is nylon 6, which is formed from aminocaproic acid. Which of the following is not an example of addition polymer? First option is polystyrene, second is polyethylene, third is polypropylene, and fourth is Teflon. The correct answer is D, that is Teflon, which we also called Dacron. Zingerle-Natta catalyst is used for the preparation of. First option is LDP, second is HDP, third is Dacron, and fourth is Teflon. The correct answer is B, that is HDP, high density polythene. Terylene is not a. First option is copolymer, second is polyester fiber, third is chain growth polymer, and fourth is step growth polymer. Then terylene is not a chain growth polymer. Which of the following is not a biodegradable polymer? First option is Glyptal, second is polyhydroxybutyrate co-beta hydroxyvolrate, and third is PHBV, and fourth is nylon 2 nylon 6. The correct answer is Glyptal, that is first, which is non-biodegradable polymer. Which of the following is not true about low density polythene, that is LDP? First option is tough, second is hard, third is good conductor of electricity, and fourth is highly branched structure. The correct answer is D, that is highly branched structure. Which of the following are addition polymer? First option is nylon, second is melamine formaldehyde resin, third is Orlon, and fourth is polystyrene. Here are two options are correct, that is C and D, which are addition polymer, Orlon and polystyrene. Which of the following is thermosetting polymer? First option is nylon, second is Teflon, third is polystyrene, and fourth is bakelite. The correct answer is D, that is bakelite, which is example of thermosetting polymer. Which of the following is not a semi-synthetic polymer? First option is cis polyisoprene, second is cellulose nitrate, third is cellulose acetate, and fourth is vulcanized rubber. Vulcanized rubber, cellulose acetate, and cellulose nitrate. These are semi-synthetic polymer, and the question asks not a semi-synthetic polymer. The correct answer is first, that is cis polyisoprene.